Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial we're going to be looking at a few quick and easy operations you can do when you have an image or text on your design space canvas that can alter or enhance your design. So the first thing we've got here is we've got a design, and when you have a design it's got a bounding box around the edge, and that's going to allow us to alter the design. So if we move our cursor here, we can now see we've got like a double arrow. That's going to allow us to rotate our image any way we want. We can spin it all the way around, and same with the text. You can alter the position of your text on your canvas. Also to note that if you do alter it and at any point you're not happy, you can go up here and you can click the undo arrow and basically keep clicking it until your image is back to where you wanted it to be. The one next to it is the redo arrow. So if you've gone back too many steps and you want to almost step forward one, then you can click on the redo and it will pop that back. So now we're back to where we started. The next operation we can do is we can alter the size. Now you can do this by just grabbing one of the little corner boxes and dragging it, and again we can do that with the text, and we can shrink it, we can make it larger. Also for this function we can go up to the size box, and as we can see the padlock is locked, so that means when we change the width of the design or text, it's automatically going to change the height and keep the design or text in proportion. So if we click on the width and make it 5 inches, that has now shrunk our text and it's changed the height as well accordingly. However, if we unlock the padlock, that's going to allow us to change the width and the height independently. So now I can put in 6 for the width, click the arrow key on my keyboard, and I can then change the height and make that 2, and again click the arrow, and even if it makes your text or image distorted, it will allow you to do that. If at any point you have an image or text on your canvas that you no longer want, you can simply click on the image or the text and you can click the back arrow key on your keyboard and that will delete it. Hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial on operations that can be used for text and images on your canvas, and I will look forward to seeing you in my next one.